Hello friends, welcome back to Monazine. They say that in the desert of the Kutch from Gujarat, the wall of the home doesn't just provide shade, they tell stories. This is Lippan Kaam, an ancient mud relief art form that has traveled from the walls of mud hut to my tabletop today. I have always been drawn to the tactic nature of clay. There is no undo button here. Just your fingers, a few simple tools, and a lot of patience. I started this piece because I wanted to see if I could find that same rhythm the artisans feel, turning a flat surface into a three-dimensional story. Firstly, I started with the borders, the frame of the world I am building. Then come the motifs. I added an elephant for strength, a peacock for grace, and geometric lines that represent the heartbeat of the village life. Every coil has to be the same thickness. Every pinch of the clay is a lesson in focus. While doing it, I learned a few things that the tutorials doesn't always tell you. Tip 1. The dump cloth trick. If your clay started drying too fast while you are working on a large section, keep a damp cloth over your unused clay. It keeps the clay alive and prevent those tiny cracks. The second tips, the glue secret. Don't just press the clay into the board. Apply a thin layer of Fevicol or white glue, any kind of glue, first. It acts like a bond that ensures your art wouldn't pop off once the clay shrink or dry. Now, tip 3, the smooth finishing. If you have messy joints where two coils meets, use a damp paintbrush, not your finger, to blend them. It gives that professional, seamless look. Now, time for the last tips. Patience is a tool. Never rush to the paint. I am letting this sit for at least 24 to 48 hours. If the core is even straightly damp, the paint will peel later. The skeleton of this piece is finally almost done. It's raw, it's white, and it's waiting. In the next part, we will paint it and bring some lights or some mirror work, adding the traditional mirrors and the color that will make this piece truly shine. For now, we let it rest and breathe. This piece isn't just a decor, it is a reminder that good thing takes time to grow. I will see you in the next part, where we turn this silence into a celebration of color and light. Thanks for being part of my journey. Bye bye. See you on next video. Bye bye.